calf safely. So we can't really risk sending her down to the bull because she could get physically injured, or she could end up in calf and then be injured by being in calf.
I should really go home, seeing as my dinner's on the table, and so is Andrew's. But I need to show you this really cool tractor he's got. Check this out. What are you doing?
I'm making a Guy Fawkes.
You're making a Guy Fawkes out of straw and a sheep. Huh? It looks a little bit like Gordon the Gopher. His head fell off.
His head fell off. That's the insides of him.
Coming in, darling. Come on, come help me with this fleece. You coming?
I don't like that fleece.
You don't like the fleece?
No.
Well, the hens will like this fleece, because look.
No, I don't like that.
Hey, it's for sheep.
I don't like that.
Look. They're gonna love it. Nice and warm for them in winter. You buggers. Look, see? Ungrateful so-and-sos. Thank you.
So Dad, where are we putting the food in that? Kill him. Kill him like a monster. Kill him like a one.
You got, baby.
I know you're secret.
What you got?
This one. What is this?
Bonfire toffee, darling.
Happy bonfire night. Happy bonfire night. Bye now. Bye now.
Your mouth is a revolver. Find bullets in the sky.
The coffee apple.
Your love is like a soldier, loyal till you die. And I've been looking at the stars for a long, long time. I've been putting out fires all my life. Everybody wants to flame, they don't want to get burned. And today is our time. Days like these lead to nights like this, lead to love like ours. You light the spark in my bonfire heart. People like us, we don't need that much. Just someone that starts the spark in our bonfire hearts. This world is getting colder, strangers passing by. No one offers you a shoulder, no one looks you in the eye. But I've been looking at you for a long, long time, just trying to break through, trying to make you mine. Everybody wants to flame, they don't want to get burned. Well, today is our time. Days like these lead to nights like this, lead to love like ours. You light the spark in my bonfire heart. People like us, we don't need that much. Just someone that starts the spark in our bonfire hearts. Our bonfire hearts. Our bonfire hearts. Our bonfire hearts. just someone that starts the spark in our bonfire hearts. Days like these lead to nights like this, lead to love like ours. You like the spark in my bonfire heart. People like us, we don't need that much, just someone that starts the spark in our bonfire hearts, our bonfire heart. People like us, we don't need that much, just someone that